how did you get to know about this Institute CreateCurve, and how was your first interaction with Mr. Akash?
I learned about CreateCurve from my best friend, Jalen Mainred. He also been going to CreateCurve, so that's how I got to know about it. I'm not a person who normally prefers tuitions. CreateCurve was probably the first tuition I took from grade 10. Grade 10, I took French tuition, but before that, I can't remember a single tuition I took. After my quarterlies in the summer, I was a bit lost in terms of chemistry because to me it was so broad. There was a lot to learn. I wanted help in terms of some structure of how do I approach some questions. In terms of organic, it started off as one of my weaker subjects. How do I approach organic? There's so much to learn. It was intimidating, and I wanted some guidance on structured advice. I took multiple practice test classes from multiple institutes. What I liked about Akash Sir and that immediately caught me was that in our first class, in the demo class, he explained about organic and resonance in the benzene ring. He asked me some questions, and he immediately knew that I wasn't that confident in terms of what I understood from my grade 11 knowledge. In grade 11, I learned about resonance. I learned chemistry. I scored good marks in chemistry. It wasn't a deeper understanding that was lacking. Immediately he touched upon that. He explained resonance and the logic behind it. And immediately for organic chemistry, I understood how I should approach it in a more logical sense. So immediately that's why I liked the way Akash Sir taught. Explaining the reason behind everything instead of just memorizing or marking everything up. And that connected with how I like to learn as well, in terms of understanding how reactions happen or why a certain compound acts a certain way. So that's why I liked Akash. So compared to other tuitions, it was more, I give you tricks to learn, but I didn't really want tricks. I wanted to understand. And that's what CreateCurve and Akash have provided me. So that's why I opted for CreateCurve.